Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your dishwasher. First, let's start with the simplest method, a power cycle. If your dishwasher is acting up, like not starting or displaying a minor error, this is often the quickest fix. Simply locate the power button on your appliance or, if it's accessible, unplug it from the wall. Wait for at least 1 full minute before plugging it back in or turning the power on. This allows the internal computer to fully discharge and reset. Next, let's explore resetting your dishwasher using its control panel buttons. Many modern appliances are designed with a built-in reset function. Typically, you'll need to press and hold the start or cancel button for about 3 to 5 seconds. Listen for a beep or watch for the display to clear, indicating the reset is complete. This method is particularly useful for clearing specific error codes or interrupting a cycle. If the previous methods don't resolve your dishwasher's problem, a circuit breaker reset is the next step. This completely cuts power to the appliance, ensuring a full system reboot. Head to your home's main electrical panel and identify the breaker labeled for your dishwasher. Flip it to the off position and leave it for at least 5 minutes. Then, simply flip it back on. This often resolves more stubborn electronic glitches. Knowing when to reset your dishwasher is key. It's ideal for unresponsive controls, unexpected pauses during a cycle, or minor error codes. Always remember to consult your specific appliance's user manual, as some models have unique reset procedures. If, after trying these methods, your dishwasher continues to malfunction, it's best to contact a qualified service technician. They can diagnose and repair more complex underlying issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.